In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use page sections on Squarespace. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to enhance your website, giving it a polished and professional look that engages your audience and organizes your content effectively. Let's dive right in. To begin with, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. If you haven't done this yet, head over to the Squarespace website and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage, the central hub from which you can manage all your projects and websites. You'll want to navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll notice your profile icon. Click on that and you'll be presented with a list of websites associated with your account. Select the website you'd like to work on today. This step sets the foundation for the changes you're going to make, allowing you to focus on the right site. With your site selected, direct your attention to the left side of the screen and click on Pages. This is where you manage all the different pages on your website. You should now see a list of existing pages, but our goal is to create a new one, so locate the plus icon next to the Main Pages section. Click on it, and from the options that appear, choose Blank Page. This gives you a fresh canvas to work with, allowing your creativity to flow without any pre-existing content or structure. Once your blank page is set up, click on Edit to begin customizing. Here, you'll notice an option to Add Section. This feature allows you to organize your content neatly by breaking the page into different areas, each dedicated to specific types of content. Feel free to add the section of your choice, depending on what you're aiming to present. After adding a section, you can also incorporate various blocks within each section. These blocks let you add text, images, videos, or any other content you want to present. Take some time to explore these options and decide which blocks best suit your needs. If you've created a section you particularly like and want to replicate it, there's an easy way to do that. Look towards the right side of the screen and find the Duplicate Section option. This will create an exact copy of the section, saving you time and effort. Additionally, by clicking on Edit Section, you can dive even deeper into customization, tailoring every aspect of your section to fit your aesthetic and functional requirements. As you get more comfortable, don't hesitate to explore the myriad of features available within Squarespace's editor. Playing around with different options will not only make your site visually appealing, but will also help you understand how to best utilize Squarespace's tools to fit your specific needs. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm confident that with these steps, you'll create a stunning, well-organized website that perfectly aligns with your vision and goals. Happy designing!